was to leave power 2 years earlier and said, now Somalis, you have to organize new elections and I will be happy to leave. None of this would have happened. But when he brutalized different groups of people in different regions of the country, people were just literally mindlessly wants to get rid of him. But they never thought of what was going to come. And the leaders who were leading them against Siad Barre were singing the music of sectarianism rather than sort of the music of commonality and brotherhood.
I think most people in the international community believe that Somalia became a failed state in 1991 with the collapse of the Siad Barre government, which had been in power since 1969. And many governments have failed around